Hi, welcome to my channel. In this lecture, we'll see how to read Oracle database from the Spark. Okay, so as usual, I have created a Spark program, read Oracle table. I'm creating main. Spark session I'm creating. Master, local, app name, reading Oracle table. Get or create. So in any other frameworks also, if you want to connect database from one framework, we need a JDBC connection. In the similar way, in Spark also we have a JDBC API to read the databases, Oracle database. Okay. To establish connection between Oracle and Spark, we need a driver, right? So Oracle Corporation, they provide a driver that is nothing but a jar file OJDBC 6.jar. This we need to download from the Oracle website. To establish a connection between Spark and Oracle, we need a driver. Driver is nothing but so it is intermediator between Oracle DB, and it will convert that Spark code to it will convert Spark core in a such a way that database can understand. Okay, so this is a OJDBC6 driver we need to download. So once it is downloaded, how to add to our library is we have to go to file, project structure. Okay, so here project structure, libraries. Okay, here add button, not this one, sorry, modules, add. Okay, here project settings, module, here plus symbol, add. With this is jar file, right? OJDBC6.jar. So jars as are directories. Jars, if you select this jars now, it will ask path. So you have to select that file name. So I have already selected. So I have already selected, that is OJDBC6.jar. So this is I have imported as a library. Then as usual we have Spark API, val data equal to spark dot read dot here format. So here we have to give JDBC. Using JDBC connection we are importing, right? So we have to mention format as a source, then option. As a first option we have to mention URL. Okay, what is the URL? Here total URL you have to give JDBC colon, this is standard URL, Oracle thin. Not only here, from any other framework, if you want to connect to Oracle, this is a standard URL, thin, and username, password. I want to connect a Scott schema, password is tiger @ server name, usually server username password at the server name, right? Host name we have to give. I have installed Oracle in same system, so 127 local host, nothing but 127.0.0.1 colon port number of that Oracle DB 15, my 1521, my port number. Okay, then DB name, okay, ORCL. Okay, this is the connection URL. Then next option we have to mention DB, which database you want to connect, which table, DB table, DB table. Here we have to give table name. Okay, cart schema employee table I want to read. Okay, another option, username we have to give user equal to start, option password tiger. Okay, option driver equal to, this is also driver is a standard Oracle JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. Okay, this is the standard driver Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver dot load. So this is a this three important. Okay, this URL, okay, format JDBC driver, this is the mandatory username password. So currently I'm hard coding all the values, but in the projects no, we will provide all these URL, usernames, passwords in a configuration file. Okay, properties file, application.properties file, because in a Hadoop cluster there will be three stages, right? Development, UVAC and production. So for each phase this credential will be vary, right? That too we cannot hard code these production credentials, right? So other people should not see this. So we will mention all these variables. We will create for all these variables like URL, user, password, driver, all these in application.properties. That variable names we will mention here using dollar symbol. Okay, now data is ready. Then data dot show. Okay, I will try to execute this. Something wrong. Something wrong here. Okay, I will give small letters. Yeah, see, now we are able to successfully read the Oracle DB. So in local I have installed Oracle, so SQL plus SCART Tiger. So select set. See, 14 rows. Here also 14 rows. Instead of keeping all this here, you can create as a variable val URL value equal to, so you can use URL value like that, you can give val driver 1. So driver, in this way we can create variables. In similar way also we can read the Oracle table. So in the real time, these are all the it will differ from environment to environment. So all we will include in the properties file. The future videos I will make a video how to create a properties file to differentiate 3 environments in a cluster. Thanks for watching this video.